Akenya ni makoretwo matakwiganira nuria ruhonge rwa magoti ruratuithania maciira ma ungumania kuona maingi ni marekururia kwa ihinda iraya magigatuithanio undu uria Jaji munene David Maraga oritie acirithanio othe guku bururi-ini makorwo magikirira gutuithania maciira maya naihenya tauria kwahoteka.
What I am urging the magistrates is to hear these cases as quickly as possible, and I have emphasized this before. You know, and I understand the impatience of the Kenyans.
Ona kuri oro uguo ni ahinyiriire ati gutiri mundu uri iguru ria watho akiuga nonginyagia mitaratara yothe ya igoti irumirirwo.
When they have evidence against somebody, they have no other option than to convict, and upon conviction they mete out the sentence. I can't tell them as CJ, I can't tell them what sentence to give or how to decide the cases.
Ihinda-ini o riu Maraga ni ahithuritie ati namba ya maciira maria makwamite magoti-ini no irathie ikinyihanyihaga ukiringithanio na hau kabere.
Our desire is to have cases not more than 3 years old in our system, and we are trying to copy what other countries are doing. In Rwanda, for example, okay, they don't have as many cases as we do, but the oldest case there is about 2 years. Côte d'Ivoire is doing the same, so we are trying to copy the best practices and deal with these cases as soon as we can.
Maciira matanyihiire 40,000 nimo mandikithagio magoti-ini o mweri. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wanjiru wa Boro.